Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome in. I am videoing literally from my bonus room because it is super important I get you this information immediately. There has been a huge change in the 1099 tax rules that we've been talking about all year that you are going to get if you did over $600 in sales this year. Coming up in January, February, you would get that. Well, they have decided to delay it pretty much again and not send 1099s unless you were at the previous threshold of $20,000 and 200 transactions. So if you did 800, 1,000, 1,500, you will not get a 1099. They have delayed that because of the new $1.7 trillion government spending bill. Don't even get me started on that. But because Congress failed to act on that and go over some changes, which one of the changes was to raise it to possibly 5,000 or 10,000. They didn't go to that. They just sent the bill. They have decided to delay it. However, if you read the story on any news site, including the one I pulled it from on Forbes, which I'll put a screenshot somewhere over here, I'll link it below as well. That does not mean you don't have to report your income. If you did $4,000 in sales, in business sales, you are responsible to report that as income. It doesn't mean that that was your profit, and it doesn't mean that you're going to owe taxes on that. You could have done $4,000 in sales. You could have spent worth of fees, shipping, and cost of goods, $3,500, made a $500 profit, which taxably is probably less than $100 in taxes. And then you had some expenses, some gas, some driving, and you don't owe anything. So it does not mean you owe taxes, but you do need to report that income of any level, $1, $600, 10,000, 100 million, it doesn't matter. But you're not going to receive a 1099 unless you hit the $20,000 and 200 transactions, which is what it was previously. It was supposed to change this year. The big news coming out of Washington, D.C., the IRS, the government, they will not be sending these 1099s. They're going to go over it. They're going to talk about it, and they're going to figure out how and when to send it going forward. So that will help a lot of people who are still confused, people who don't understand it. If you have questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Many of us can answer a lot of the common knowledge questions. However, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a licensed CPA. I cannot give you legal or financial advice. You need to speak to an attorney or preferably a licensed CPA or a finance attorney or somebody who can help you with these questions as far as setting up your business and your taxable liability and all those sort of things. If you need help with that, I will link Mark 2. He is a licensed CPA and a reseller himself. He knows how to do our stuff. He has an amazing accounting and bookkeeping combo course, which I'll link his website below. Mark's amazing. He's a sponsor of this channel. He definitely affiliate pays me for bringing him customers because he is the best. And that's why I take my customers and send you guys to him. So no more 1099s unless you hit the 20,000. The $600 is delayed. I'll put this video up immediately. I'm recording this at 6 p.m. on Friday, December 23rd, 2022. I think this was announced within the last couple of hours. Also, if you need to set yourself up for bookkeeping throughout the year, My Reseller Genie, which was a great replacement to GoDaddy when it shut down and is a cheaper alternative to QuickBooks, My Reseller Genie sponsors this channel as well. Amazing program. I will link them down below. So all three links, the news story, Mark 2, an accountant, and My Reseller Genie that can help you do your bookkeeping all year long. Sales, expenses, profits, all that stuff linked below to get you for where you need to be in 2023. Celebrate in the streets. I know a lot of you will be cheering this on. Can't wait to read your comments down below. And happy almost Christmas Eve to everyone. Enjoy your evening. I had another video. I'll try to get that video out for you also tonight. But enjoy your night, guys. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching as always. And that's our news from the world of taxes and 1099 for resellers. Enjoy that story if you read it. And I will see everyone next time.